What's going on, YouTube? So it's Nathan back here with another one, bringing to you Call of Duty Modern Warfare. It's an open beta right now. I'm on the Xbox One. This is my favorite game, so I thought I'd bring it to you in case this was your favorite game as well. As far as Call of Duties go, Modern Warfare is definitely number one on the top of my list. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to get it on your Xbox One. I had a little difficulty, so I thought I'd show everybody how to install it on your Xbox One. It's a couple of steps, so let's go ahead and walk through this, and then I'll go ahead and show you the process. Alright, so for starters, you will need a device that has the internet, or if you want to use your Xbox for the internet, that's perfectly fine. You just need to get to this website. I'm on my computer, and I just went to Microsoft.com and then search for Call of Duty Modern Warfare Open Beta, or you can just put it in Google Chrome, put it in Call of Duty Modern Warfare Open Beta. But all you have to do is just get to this screen, and then it'll come up and it'll just say free, and then it'll say get. And it's pretty straightforward. You will need to know your online account information. If you don't, it's not that hard. Just click on forgot password. It's pretty straightforward. I didn't remember my password either, so I just clicked on forgot password and reset it real quick. So once you see this free and then get, you just click on it, and then it's just going to prompt you to log in. So go ahead and log in, and then once you're logged in, I'll show you the next step. Alright, so once you have logged in, you'll be immediately prompted. It'll just say thank you for your order, and then it'll just say close, and then it'll also ask you to check these settings here on your Xbox. Mine was already enabled. I think it's already enabled by default, so you should be fine, but just in case, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to check that on your Xbox real quick. Alright, so I jumped over to the Xbox. On your Xbox controller, just click the light that glows up. The menu pops out from the side. You'll go to your settings, and then in here you just scroll down the page and go down the system, and then you go to the right, and then you want to go down, click on updates and downloads, and then right there on the bottom left hand corner you'll see keep my games and apps up to date. You'll see a checkbox there. As long as you see that checkbox, you're good to go. If you don't see it, make sure you have it checked, and then we are all set for this next step. Okay, so we're back on the computer again. All you have to do is click on the close button, and then it pops up another button that we have to click on. Alright, so we clicked on close. Now we see install on my devices, and this is the last step here until we move over to the Xbox again. Just click that blue button to install on my devices. And as long as you're logged in, we should already be logged in. You should be already golden. It'll detect your Xbox, and you want to make sure your Xbox is turned on at this point. So I have the Xbox One. It says it right there. You just check the box right next to it. Check that box. The blue light or blue button lights up. It says install now. Click on install now. It says thank you, we attempted to install on the selected device. That's perfectly fine. And then you just click OK, and then you make your way over to the Xbox. You can also restart your Xbox if you want, just to make sure that the download goes through. And I'm gonna go and pop over to the Xbox and show you what it will look like. Alright, so I'm back on the Xbox. All you have to do is click your controller, click that home button there, and there you go. Call of Duty Modern Warfare, bottom left hand corner. It's already installing. It's at 1%, so let's go down and click on it. I'm actually going to click on my games and apps because it'll show me the queue. I'll click on see all, and we'll go down to queue so we can see how long it's going to take to download this thing. Alright, so there we go right there. It's about 37 gigs. So it's going to take my connection 2 hours to install. So I'm going to allow this to install. I'm going to pick back up once it's closer to the end of the install, and then I'm going to go and show you a little bit of gameplay. But that's about it. You install the game right here, and then you're all set to play. This beta will last, I believe, until Monday at some point in time. I'm not exactly sure of when it ends on Monday, but you have until Monday to enjoy the game. Alright, so I got Call of Duty installed. I started it up. I went through all the settings, and this is some gameplay I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you some very rusty beginnings, and then I'm going to show you where I got settled in and got a few kills. So I do want to admit that I did die a lot when I first loaded this game, so just keep that in mind. So I'm going to show you that first, and then I'll show you the kills at the end. And also, if you're familiar with the difference from Call of Duty Black Ops and Modern Warfare, this definitely feels 100% Modern Warfare. I don't really like even though they're Call of Duty, I don't like Call of Duty Black Ops just because the gameplay feels kind of strange, but this flows very well, and I like how the shooting and everything is done. It doesn't seem, you know, I don't know, I can't explain it, but if you are a Call of Duty fan, you know the difference between the two, and this feels super smooth, and it just works. It just flows together. For those of you who are just here for the install piece of this video, this is just going to be highlights all the way until the end of this video, and I just want to say thank you for watching.
Enemy cruise missile, take cover. You're needed at A.
And I hope everyone didn't write me off because they saw those kills there. But I am good at Call of Duty. I just need to get settled in. That was the first couple of games, but this is a few highlights from a couple of games after the first couple, after I got broken in.
Lost A. Delta secure. Assist your team at B. Enemy cruise missile, take cover. Enemy personal radar overhead. Overhead. Enemy has Bravo. We're on Charlie, stand by. Taking Bravo. Enemy holds 2 objectives, take them back. Captured Bravo. Hostile on Alpha, go. Securing Charlie. Hostiles have Alpha. Charlie secure. Reloading. Securing Alpha. Assist your team at Bravo. Holding 2, we have the advantage. Winning this, keep it tight. Enemy personal radar in the air.
Alright, so those are the highlights right there for you. Thank you again for watching this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
I remember when Plus first told me take a picking in the shoebox. Introduced me to them bands, hit me to the plan, now I'm making moolah. We had a Desi drip, switching phone whips, let the work do the work for me. Only call it hustle if your profit doubles, otherwise you a worker bee. Leave the rest up in God's hands. Wise words from a wise man. Can you tell the time turning 25 into 5 bands? Nigga, I can't. Then that 5 started jumping, flip the 10, and that 10 turned to 20, and now everything that I want is paid for. That's the life I was made for.